Please come przyjechał.
Nikolai, you are here. Happy as always.
Exactly, you know.
Yeah, everyone knows you here in Saaremaa.
Yes, what I can tell, it was for us roller coaster totally. Yesterday there is some issues with the car, but service managed to fix it, and now we try to chase as much as we can. So yeah, obviously I am really happy because yesterday I was really upset and I was not smiling. It's very seldom when it happened to me. But anyway, we are here and we are happy. That's very good, and we are waiting for the
Next
party.
year. And next year.
Yes, that's later.
Okei, thank you. Ehk siis eile õhtul natuke oli tuju ära, aga said tuju ülesse ja praegu hetkel tõesti on väga rahul, nad on finišis ja natuke tahavad vist õhtul pidu ka pidada. Homme õhtu või järgmine aasta siis taas on nad siin kohal, nii nagu ikka, sest need mehed seda Saaremaa rallit tõesti, no ütleme otse välja, armastavad ja peavad sellest päris palju lugu. Aga nüüd tuleb meil Erik-Sander Tiits, Rasmus Vesilo, auto number 51 ja nemad läksid EB7 klassis eile peale